Okay, this is where the last video left us off. We have a point 3, 3 on our graph. We have a point that's very close by, 3 plus h, and the square root of 3 times 3 plus h. What we were doing was finding the slope of the line between the 2 points. But now in order to find the slope at the point, we need to take a limit. So let's see if we can get all this in here. And what I'm going to do is leave a space for limits. And I'm going to write delta y over delta x like that equals, I leave a space for limits, and then I write 3 like this and 3 plus h like that. So this is the change in the y values over the change in the x values. And that's just h, because 3 plus h minus 3 is just h. Now when we want to take a limit, remember the delta x and h mean the same thing. We're using this for notational purposes later, so don't get too weird out about it now. So here I'm going to write down LIM, and I want delta x to go to 0. And over here I'm going to go LIM, and I want h to go to 0. Remember, what we want to do is plug in h equals 0, because that'll give us the slope of the tangent line. But we can't do it, so we do the next best thing, and we evaluate the limit. We see that we can't plug in. We do get 0 over 0. I guess I can write that in. Won't kill me at this point. I'm going to multiply the top by the conjugate and the bottom by the conjugate. So I put times, and I'm going to put the square root of 3 times 3 plus h, and this is going to be plus 3, and the bottom is the same thing. I get 3 times 3 plus h plus 3 like that. I haven't evaluated the limit yet, so I have to put LIM, h arrow 0. I don't want to ruin the bottom, so I'm not going to multiply it all out. I'm just going to write down h, and then the square root of 3 times 3 plus h plus 3. I do want to fix the top. Now what does that mean? Well, what I actually see is a minus b times a plus b. So let's just write a little a minus b so you can see what we're doing, times a plus b. Remembering that a minus b times a plus b is just a squared minus b squared. I get to write a squared, which is just this, 3 times 3 plus h, minus b squared, which is minus 9, which just isn't bad yet. So what I'm going to do is simplify the top a little teeny bit. Haven't taken the limit yet, so I have to keep writing it. I'm going to get 9 plus 3h minus 9 all over our mess. I get h. Can I see that? Yes, I can. Times, here we go, 3 times 3 plus h minus 3, like that. And we can barely see it. Yay! All right, now what I'm going to do is grab some red, because this 9 and this 9 are going to kill each other. Now what's left on top is 3h, and what's left on bottom also has an h, so the h's kill each other. And the nice thing about that is what's left, we can plug in for h equals 0 now. So what I get on top is 3. Let's see here. Can we see this? We can. On the bottom, I'm going to get the square root of 9 plus 3. So this is actually going to be 6. And that's going to be the 1/2 that the first 4 parts of this problem all promised. Yay. That is the exact value, and we've confirmed it.